You won't believe this, but there are channels with only 13 uploads pulling millions of views on every single long-form video, just by posting simple AI-generated animal fight videos. And before you think, yeah, but that's probably super hard to make, it's actually the opposite. These channels aren't using huge teams or Hollywood-level animation. They're using a new AI model that's about to hit the market. And it makes videos that look this realistic with almost no effort. There are already channels doing this right now. 80,000 subscribers, 13 uploads, and one video with 21 million views, plus every other upload sitting at millions. And another channel in the same niche? Same story. Over 10 million views on their top video and huge numbers across the board. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this niche is exploding, how these channels are blowing up with such simple content, and how you can use the same upcoming AI tools to create high-quality, realistic animal fight videos yourself. A brand new model for creating these ultra-realistic animal fight videos is about to drop. And it's coming from Higgsfield AI. It's called Kling 3.0, and once this model is released, you'll be able to create the exact same type of videos these channels are blowing up with. And not just animal fights. This model can generate any style of video you want, high quality, cinematic, detailed, and completely AI generated. Higgsfield is releasing more demos and previews very soon, and from what we've already seen, Kling 3.0 is going to change everything. With this single tool, you'll be able to create long-form videos, start your own automated channel, pump out high-quality YouTube shorts. Almost any type of content you can imagine. All the videos you're seeing on the screen right now were created using Kling 2.6. And as you can tell, the quality is already insane. But Kling 3.0 takes this to a completely different level. This new model is a straight-up game changer. It can generate even more realistic, detailed, and high-quality videos than anything you've seen so far. If Kling 2.6 can produce results like this, just imagine what Kling 3.0 is about to unleash. Just like those animal fight channels you've been watching. I generated these clips using Kling 2.6, and honestly, the results are even better than what those channels are posting. And remember, this is still only Kling 2.6. When Kling 3.0 drops, the quality is going to jump to a whole new level. You can already see the clips on the screen. I've generated 2 or 3 short animal fight sequences, each about 10 seconds long. But here's the crazy part. I didn't just generate the visuals. I also generated the voiceover, and the voiceover quality is shockingly realistic. When you combine the visuals plus the AI voice, the overall result is next-level high quality.
You shall not pass through my territory!
Your reign ends here.
The new Kling 3.0 model that just dropped from Higgsfield is about to dominate the entire AI video space, including Sora 2, which until now has been the top high-quality video generator. Here's the crazy part. Sora 2 can only produce videos that are 15 to 25 seconds long. That's its limit. But Kling 3.0? This thing can generate 30 to 60-second videos by default. And it does it faster, with more detail and with more realism. This model is insanely powerful. In terms of speed, length, and flexibility, Kling 3.0 doesn't just compete with Sora 2, it completely outclasses it. If you thought Sora 2 was the future, just wait until you see what Kling 3.0 is doing right now. There are many Kling AI models available on Higgsfield. If you go to the Video Generation tab and open the Models section, you will see a lineup of tools designed for different types of video creation. Kling 2.6 is the newest model and can create cinematic videos with audio in 1080p, generating clips of 5 to 10 seconds with built-in audio. Kling 01 video allows consistent video creation from images or elements, also producing 5 to 10 second clips. Kling 01 video edit provides advanced scene and shot editing with 3 to 10 second clips. Kling motion control lets you control motion using video references and can create 3 to 30 second clips. Kling 2.5 turbo produces smooth motion with strong consistency in 1080p and 5 to 10 second clips. Kling 2.1 and Kling 2.1. Master offers smooth and consistent motion with even stronger consistency and smoother animation, producing clips from 5 to 10 seconds. Kling AI is a game changer, and once Kling 3.0 officially launches, content creation will become much easier. With this single model, you will be able to generate high-quality videos that look like they were made by a professional studio.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
Kling 3.0 has not been launched yet, but when it is, I will make a full video showing you exactly how to create an animal fighting video using this model. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Once Kling 3.0 is released, I will update you, and I want you to tell me in the comments whether I should make a video on this topic. You can also check out the updated Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I've included a link to a detailed blog post on Higgsfield below, where you can check all the information for yourself. I've also added the link to the official Higgsfield Twitter account in the description, so you can stay updated on the latest releases. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think. See you in the next amazing video.